Oh no. How screwed am I?
Second time playing it for local, so you'll be fine.
Are you playing Purrely or are you just throwing me off? Because the mats and the sleeves, can I really trust it? Please unchain. Hey, cats and dogs.
I didn't have the deck.
Oh no.
I need lightness first. Yeah.
Oh yeah, the phone.
That's not on both of buying it.
Cause too expensive.
Yeah, it's like 50.
Yeah, and still 50 for some reason. I thought it would at least go 40 or 35. Yeah. The download later. So, yeah. 5? Cool. Oh, you're on Tenpai, huh?
Some people are better at this game than us and actually have good games.
Tenpai me.
Yep.
Well.
Hydra.
Yeah.
That game actually not. This is my revenge from
Ash.
Sure. Had it anyway.
Fuck.
The Tenpai mirror! Right.
Jervis?
Yep.
Alright guys, try to read it.
Seven?
Yep.
Oh yes.
Mate.
So,
White cat?
oh, it's Purrely.
Yeah, I think
Sure.
Oh, Ghost Sector Purrely is scary.
End of mid.
Yep.
Out.
Yep.
Attempt to attack.
Attack. Bounce. Effect. Why? So. Had the second.
Yeah, that's why I used it. I think.
Yes. Yeah.
It's for main two. Main two?
Yep.
I said my friend.
Of course, it's my amigo. Yeah, pay 5 is fine. Yeah. My amigo. Can he not? Can he not? Can he not? Can he not get that one? Can he not get that one? Please?
I'd say pretty.
Yeah.
Both getting
You're pretty, man.
it's 85.
Yeah.
it's such a nice cup.
Oh, you gained.
Yeah. Burn.
Oh, pitch.
You said yes.
Yeah, pitch one.
Yeah.
If I
Can they have the trap instead? Please?
I'm scared of veiling him.
I want to input that one.
You can do it in your turn when I try to draw. Perfect.
Yeah. I want to input that one. I swear, I see this come more than any other card in my deck. Yeah. Yep. The gate and the bow is scary. Actually scary.
Big target.
Yeah.
Beauty.
Yep. Your beauty. You're beautiful. Trap unknown. Oh. Dust off the top.
Materials two. 1, 2,
3, 4.
That's it.
Yep.
Effect
So.
on
Wait, ogre?
it. Imagine if it.
Nah, I will ogre this!
True.
Yeah. Draw face?
Yep.
Standby.
Effect draw.
Hopefully.
End of main. Activate.
Yeah. Sure.
Oh yeah, excuse me.
Yeah. Oh, perfect. Yep. Defense
Big draw.
more than that one.
What's chaining? So
1, 2.
That's
Oh no, I can't. Sorry, I can't target.
oh yeah,
Yeah.
draw one.
Yeah. Now you got it.
Thank fuck. I was like shit, it's gonna imperm it.
Yeah, I can still change.
Fine. This is going in. Just for you. Purrely.
I saw Dean playing the deck, so I was like, oh, it's a 10.
Banish one. Well, two. Banish one and then use it. Banish is cost. So you can't be, which is what each factor is.
Let me target.
No, you said you didn't. If you're even with me. Okay, so. And then you can activate Tenpai, Banish, Frenzy.
I'm gonna get devalued, am I? What's more, Archfiend? One of those two. What happened to your lab deck?
It's an advantage.
It's in my house.
You also know.
You're tired of getting asked.
It's just I keep getting into time with that deck.
That's the opposite for me. My opponents just scoop. Even though they asked me. Yeah.
And Fire King Snake Eye is like a horrible matchup, so I just gave up on that deck.
You either draw the DDG combo and they don't have anything, or you're just stuffed.
Yeah.
I'm more inclined playing Shifter because of that now. Because the chat have rebuild. I will start.
Sure. Is it you sure?
Yes!
Okay.
Set fire. Calling seeds.
Smoke screens to labyrinth. It's playing the opposite way.
Yeah, lad. Yeah, none of us are playing. Actually, none of us are playing. Feel spell?
Yeah.
Feel spell. No. Can you not? Oh, yours.
Good. Draw face.
Yeah.
Stand back.
Yeah.
Nate.
Yeah.
Whack it. Take.
No.
Sure. Activate.
Yeah.
Check. Cost.
Yeah, sure.
You have response?
Where's my ogre?
You don't have response for it.
Don't you do it. Don't you dare. Don't you dare.
Are you actually just doing this?
Don't you? Let me info.
Molly, Kentrigina, and
Yeah.
Activate.
Yeah.
Take this one.
So you must be one happy dude.
Pitch.
Yep. You said that one, right?
Yeah, activated.
No, you said it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're good.
That's I probably should have my life.
No. Hey, I'm not paying your lot. Okay. Yep. 8.
Yeah, 800.
Oh, I know math.
In the bow?
Yep.
Easily.
So you're supposed to actually activate that.
Net.
Yep.
Yes.
Sure.
Set.
Yep.
Pass.
Kind of like main.
Yeah.
Do I have to do this?
Okay. You see it? Pass.
Yeah.
Trophies.
Yep.
Stand back.
Yep.
Right.
Yep.
Good.
You're good.
500.
Yep. Yeah, you got it. Where's my dragon?
I think yes.
Oh.
Levels have to be 8.
That's helpful.
So I can bring up.
You don't play Necro Valley?
Nah, I don't play that combo. You just die to more matchups.
Actually, yeah, I can get white running this.
Yeah.
Actually good against this deck.
Purrely's the only one that I'm actually afraid of. Because if you protect your monsters, I can't kill you. Yeah. Delicate voices as well. Nice deck, bro.
Yeah. You can play for fun if you want.
Nah.